Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 156 Oak Bridge Way in Greece.
This is a mint condition property with a spectacular resort-style backyard. So let's take a tour.
This home is in perfect condition and great for entertaining. Welcoming you with a grand living room with vaulted ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to a dining room with wainscoting and an eat-in galley kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, new stainless steel appliances, and patio access. The first floor also features a spacious family room with a gas fireplace, an adjacent powder room and laundry, plus a relaxing sunroom with a gas stove and poolside views. A finished lower level provides great additional living space, while the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 updated bathrooms, including a master with a walk-in closet and dressing area.
This is ultimate resort-style living with a private backyard, patios, and an in-ground pool.
Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 156 Oak Bridge Way in Greece.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!